Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. I am here in my guest room where I am currently living, and it's kind of nice to have a small little space, but I am ready to get back in my house. But today's tiny tidy is actually a tiny tidy that I filmed while I was on a little vacation from YouTube, and I never put out, but it is actually me cleaning up my kitchen as it was before. My kitchen looks completely different now, and it's only half a kitchen now. But anyway, it like brought back some memories to look at it, so I thought I would share that last little kitchen tiny tidy with you guys, and so I hope you enjoy it. Oh, before I forget, Tiny Tidy Tuesdays is a weekly collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn here on YouTube. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. This is the first week ever that she decided to take a vacation, and I'm so excited that she took a vacation. So my dear friend Melinda from Melinda Plain and Simple, I love Melinda. She is taking over the playlist this week, meaning she's collecting everybody's tiny tidies and putting them into one convenient playlist for you. So check out Melinda's channel. I will link it in my description box below as well, along with today's tiny tidy playlist. I hope it gives you tons of homemaking inspiration. Let's get busy cleaning in my kitchen. So on this particular night when I filmed this video, we had salads for dinner, just a nice, quick, and easy dinner, and I just wanted to get the trash taken out, tidy up my kitchen, and leave everything nice and clean for the next morning. So that is what I am doing here in this video.
One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Are new to my channel, I would just like to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I would love for you to become part of my growing YouTube family. I like to motivate and inspire you guys and just take you along with my life journey with me.
Finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song, and then you stood there smiling at me as so many times before. Never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Step finally home. I've been gone for too long. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way. Let me know in the comments what you tidied along with me today, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Did I say remember? Take time to live, laugh, and love today? If not, remember to do that. Love you guys.